Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted accounts on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about restricted accounts on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on Snapchat. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.